படிக்கும்போது காரணம் ஒரே ஒரு 4 பேர். ஸோ 2-3 தடவை அவங்க வீட்டுக்கு அப்போ போயிருக்கேன். அவங்க அம்மா வீட்டில் ஒரு இன்ஜர் சாய் அவங்க கொடுப்பாங்க, பிரமாதம். அது இப்போ ஒரு டேஸ்ட் மாதிரி வாங்கி நிற்குது. அது ரொம்ப பண்ணிட்டு ஒரு வாட்டி வந்தப்போ அவங்க காரம் கொடுப்பாங்க 1000 ரூபாய். அப்போ வரும்போது நான் சொல்லி வச்சான், நீ திருப்பி வரும்போது எங்கள் வீட்டுக்கு போ, அம்மாவோட கொடுத்துட்டு போவாங்க அப்படின்னா. என்னடா கொடுத்துட்டு போவாங்கன்னா சிக்கன் ஃப்ரை கூட கொடுத்துட்டு போவாங்க அப்படின்னா. நானும் கிளம்பி காலையில் போயிட்டு போகும்போது லஞ்ச் பேக் பண்ணி பேக் பண்ணி தரணும் காலையில் போனா இவ்வளவு பெரிய அண்டா இவ்வளவு ஒரு 10-15 kg இருக்கும். சிக்கன் 60 டீப்பா ஃப்ரை பண்ணி அவ்வளவு எண்டா கிளம்பி வச்சாங்க. ஹாஸ்டல் கொண்டு வந்தா ஒரே வேலை தாங்க. ஹாஸ்டல் கொண்டு வந்து ஒரு ஃபுல் சிக்கன் காலி ஆஃப் எல்லாரும் காலி பண்ணோம். ஜஸ்டிஃபிகேஷன் is our hospital, National Chest Hospital in Trivandrum. Near Eastwood, Pathavaswamy கோயில் பக்கத்திலே போட்டுட்டாரு. இப்போ எக்கச்சக்கமா காசு எடுத்தாங்கல்ல, அதை கிடைச்சுதா பக்கத்துல. So 3 children, wife is Mrs. Nadia Omega, 3 children, eldest daughter, Dr. Nazri, a dentist. She is married to, she is in GH Trivandrum. Married to Dr. Shadi. And the children, the child, mentally, not a married. So, Dada is under Dada here. Second Dada, Rashid, computer engineer, married to Mr. Payas. He is also a software engineer in Bangalore. Third son, 9. Person is the 9, when is the second MBBS in Trivandrum. By the father, one of the founder members of the Association of Respiratory Physicians, Trivandrum, and now he is the governing council member of the Association of Pulmonary and Critical Care Medicine, Kerala State. Thank you.
Lakshman will be introduced by Sunil Jain. Lakshman Patingla, and now he is the Lakshman of today. Very prosperous.
Good morning. Good morning. Now let me introduce the prosperous Lakshman. Lakshman is an ophthalmologist. He has his own hospital, Arvind Sai Eye Hospital, and he's been doing private practice for the last 20 years, and I think this hospital for the last 15 years. Right? And his passion is Carnatic music and singing. His wife, I think she just had a close glimpse of Lakshman in his younger days. His wife properly?
Exactly same person. Okay, but
she's an administrator of Arvind Sai Eye Hospital as well as a builder. If you want any apartment near Chennai, you can stop there. And Lakshman has seen about 2 lakhs of IOP cases, performed 25,000 cataract surgeries, and 50% of the patients are treated free of cost. And he runs his own trust. And his aspiration is to eradicate curable blindness. He has 2 wonderful, cute children. Son is an observer, and daughter is doing a second year MBBS. And his father. And one of his professional aspirations is to build a beautiful hospital for full budding doctors and enrolling. And his passion for aspiration for the country is to see that it is corruption free.
I am a road chairperson of the Director of International T2486. I am not a politics, though my close friend Dr. Bhai was not from. He is in DMDA Captain Vigan, and I work with him for some work. we run the old age home, we start the old age home. And I also want to convey Professor Lakshmi Narayana, our Maithiladi chief he is doing well. He has conveyed his best wishes to our meeting today. And I actually wanted to email, I forgot to print out the printout. But for Sector 9, everybody knows. Our professor, faculty professor, he conveyed his best wishes. He came for my 10th anniversary of the hospital, just to say over with the local minister, and he gave a talk in my 10th anniversary. Thank you so much. I'm very happy that today is today's function and as usual, silent. Gautam is there, yeah, okay. Thank you, Gautam and Rajapal and others. Excellent. Thank you.
Prophetic to relax. And our Manna prophetic, I think, will be a very, very thin version of what he is now.
Sorry for the interruption. Dr. Narayan is not quite well. So, I am introducing myself. I am Dr. Narmadan, assistant surgeon in ESI Hospital, Salem, and also doing the blood medicine near Salem Manur village. My wife, Dr. Sarvai, is a gynecologist working Mount Medical College Hospital as assistant professor in the gynecology department. We have one daughter, he is not doing pre-final in Steelberg Medical College, Chennai. We are having a small setup hospital in our village in Denbit, and ambition is to be a president of IMA, Karnataka State Branch.
All over India, he wants to become the IMA president. That is his main ambition. We wish you all the best for this. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Was the first person in our batch to get married?
That was my line. Hello everybody. I am Usha Rangarajan, but still everybody calls me PK Usha. I've been Usha Rangarajan for 25 years, and I'm very delighted to be here. This is my first reunion, and I'm very happy to introduce Margadam doesn't need an introduction, but I'm still very happy to introduce her to everybody. Margadam is in general practice, and she also practices OBGYN in Chennai. Her passion is reading and sports. As Sashia said, she was the first one to get married in our batch. But she has been a mamia for a long time. She was our mamia when we were in medical school. And she is married to Mr. Nyana President. He's an engineer. And Maragam has 2 children. The older one is Nitya, whom I had an opportunity to see and get to know her a few years ago. She did her master's and she's working in US now. And her younger child is Arvind, who did his MBA and is working in Singapore right now. And Arvind has been married for a few years. He's married to Sita, Jaya Sita. And she has done her MA and is working in Tata Consultancy. Maragam's achievement, she has achieved a lot of things in her life. Getting married at a younger age. She raised 2 wonderful children. And I'm proud to be her friend, close friend. And she's very content with her life. That's it. I can go on forever talking about Maragam. Thank you, everybody. Nina.
Hello. Very good morning. I'm really happy to come and attend this function. I'm extremely happy to introduce our best friend, OK Radhakrishnan and Meena Kumari. Meena Kumari has come along now. You all know we have some classmates who got married. One of them, we know very well, OK Radhakrishnan and Meena Kumari. They are in Pune. Meena Kumari she is a gynecologist. Now, right now she is research associate, works in diabetes unit, KEM Hospital. Husband Radhakrishnan, ophthalmologist. He is working as professor, D.Y. Patil, Medical College. They have 2 children, both daughters. First one got married recently, Sveta. She is working as associate vice president corporate in HSBC Bank. Second daughter Purnima works as company secretary in Pune. So they are very nice people. You all know we had a very nice time with OK Radhakrishnan and Meena Kumari. Both were very studious and very friendly. I am really happy to introduce them again to you all. Thank you.
Ravi, I have a doubt. Studious
Sometimes
Murugesan will be introduced by Sundaran. Murugesan, so profile பார்த்துக்கிட்டீங்களா?
Hello everybody. I'm very glad to introduce our classmates. Yes, soft nature person. And at times short-tempered when he was a student. I don't know how he is now. He has completed his post-graduation in Child Health at the Institute of Child Health, Chennai. And he is in private practice and runs a nursing home from 1995. His passion is storybooks. His wife, Mrs. Meena Loshni, is a homemaker. And he has 2 sons. First one is Dr. Karthikeyan. He is waiting to do his post-graduation in medicine. And second son is Niranjan, who is doing his 3rd year MBBS at Savita Medical College. His aspirations for himself, his family, his profession, his country, everything he has mentioned as one sentence. மனிதனாக இருக்க முயற்சிக்கிறேன், மனிதனாக சிலரை முயற்சிக்கிறேன்.
Thank you. ஒரே expression. மனுஷனா இருங்க. மனிதன், நான் மனிதன், போதும், உலகமே நல்லா இருக்கு.
Murugesan Pandey. Sundarkrishnan will introduce Murugesan Pandey.